Every single year, car owners waste thousands of dollars on repairs and maintenance that could easily be avoided. Mechanics and repair shops know this, but they won't tell you because it's part of how they make their money. What if I told you that with a few household items and some simple knowledge, you could fix many of these issues yourself? Today, I'm going to share powerful DIY car maintenance hacks that mechanics don't want you to know. These tricks will not only save you money, but they'll also make your car last longer and keep it running like new. And trust me, you'll want to stay till hack number because it's the one that could save you hundreds of dollars every single year without lifting more than a finger. Hack 1. Toothpaste for headlight restoration. Headlights are one of the most overlooked parts of car maintenance. Over time, plastic headlight covers become oxidized, turning yellow and foggy. This doesn't just make your car look old, it actually reduces the amount of light your headlights give off, which is dangerous at night. Mechanics know this and charge anywhere from $50 to $150 for professional headlight restoration. But here's the secret, the solution might already be sitting in your bathroom cabinet. Regular white toothpaste contains mild abrasives that gently polish and remove oxidation. All you need to do is apply it to a soft cloth, rub it in circular motions across the headlight for a few minutes, then rinse with water. In less than 10 minutes you'll notice your headlights looking clearer. If you want the results to last longer, add one extra step. After cleaning, apply a thin coat of wax or a UV protectant spray. This prevents future yellowing. It's such a simple hack, yet mechanics don't talk about it because if you knew, they'd lose business. Hack 2. Olive oil to shine the dashboard. Your dashboard is constantly exposed to sunlight and heat, which causes fatting, dryness, and eventually cracks. Auto shops push expensive cleaners and conditioners, but the truth is a tiny drop of olive oil does the same job. Take a microfiber cloth, add a couple of drops of olive oil and gently rub it over the dashboard. It restores shine, enhances color, and even provides a thin layer of protection against UV damage. This makes your car interior look brand new. The trick here is moderation. You don't want an oily mess, just a subtle shine. And the best part? You don't need to spend $20 or more on products that essentially do the same thing. Hack 3. Nail polish for windshield chips. A small rock chip on your windshield may not look like a big deal, but left untreated, it can spread into a full crack, forcing you to replace the entire windshield, which can cost $500 or more. Mechanics and glass shops love this because it means more business for them. The hack: clear nail polish. Apply a thin coat directly onto the chip, let it dry, and it will seal the glass temporarily. This prevents dirt, water, and pressure changes from spreading the crack. While it's not a permanent solution, it gives you enough time to save money and plan for a proper repair instead of being hit with a huge, unexpected bill. Hack 4. Coffee filter as a dust cleaner. Car interiors collect dust fast. Vents, dashboards, screens, they all attract it. Many people buy specialized wipes or microfiber pads, but here's the hack: coffee filters. Coffee filters are lint-free, cheap, and perfect for delicate surfaces. They wipe dust without leaving streaks or scratches, especially on touchscreens that are prone to damage. Keep a small stack in your glove box and you'll always be prepared for a quick cleanup. It's a professional detailer's trick, but they'd never tell you because they want you to keep coming back for paid interior detailing. Hack 5. Cooking spray for frozen doors. If you live in cold climates, you've probably experienced frozen car doors. The rubber seals around the doors can freeze shut overnight, making it nearly impossible to get inside without damaging the rubber. Instead of expensive silicone sprays, use a light coating of cooking spray. Spray it on the rubber seals and wipe off the excess. This thin layer prevents water from sticking and freezing. It's an inexpensive hack that saves you from costly seal replacements and the frustration of being locked out of your car on freezing mornings. Hack 6. The penny tire test. Tires are one of the most important safety features on your car, yet many people don't know when theirs are too worn out. Poor tire tread means less traction, longer stopping distances, and higher chances of skidding in wet or icy conditions. You don't need a fancy tread gauge, just a coin. Insert the coin into the tire tread with the head pointing down. If you can see the top of the head clearly, your tread is dangerously low and you need new tires. This simple trick takes seconds and could prevent accidents that cost thousands of dollars or worse, a life. Hack 7. Cola for battery terminals. Car batteries often develop corrosion on their terminals, that white or blue powdery buildup. This corrosion makes it harder for electricity to flow, which leads to poor starts, electrical issues, and eventually a dead battery. Mechanics clean terminals as part of maintenance, but you can do it at home with something as simple as cola. Pour a small amount directly on the corroded area and watch as the fizz dissolves the corrosion. Rinse with clean water afterward and dry thoroughly. For extra protection, add a thin layer of petroleum jelly over the terminals to prevent future buildup. This hack extends battery life and prevents unexpected breakdowns. Hack 8. Pool noodle for garage protection. Ever parked in a tight garage and accidentally hit your car door against the wall? Even a small bump can leave scratches or chipped paint, which can cost hundreds to fix. A simple pool noodle solves this. Cut it in half lengthwise, attach it to the wall at door height, and you've created a soft cushion. Now when you open your door, it hits foam instead of a hard wall. It's cheap, effective, and can save your car's paint job. And there you have powerful car maintenance hacks that save money, prevent damage, and keep your car in top shape. The best part is all of these can be done at home with little to no cost. So which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.